I felt the clouds gathering before I saw them.
Floating in space on a tether to what?
The sun rose red with no warning given.
The sky goes dark before I saw it.
Swirling from the center of the Milky Way, gathering momentum.
People moving, unaware of what's to come.
The storm gathered outside while I busied myself inside.
Carried by a powerful energy from an unknown force, to where?
Gentle breeze, calmed to a still.
It started with raindrops dancing happily in the yard.
Its deep, dark center swirling me out into more intense but brighter colours.
The raindrops fell and fell and fell.
A welcome break in the tension of the atmosphere.
Gaining momentum, speeding up intensely, then?
When would they stop?
How long did it take before I noticed the warm air cool and the drops becoming sheets of grey?
Slowing down into calmer colours of blues, lighter and lighter.
Swirling, racing, black water.
When did the noticing begin? Because I was warm and safe, and how could the storm affect me?
I can see white, but I cannot touch it. But my tether isn't the reason.
Overpowered defences, homes, families.
A bolt of thunder and a flash of lightning caught my eye. Diversion only for a moment, as the TV was on and I was engaged elsewhere.
Watching helplessly into the distance.
Chaos ensued in the community.
The water was rising, and it was staying.
Almost waiting for another force to carry me, get me there.
It stopped, but it didn't.
A novelty only for us, as it hadn't reached our steps.
Help came, but didn't. Trauma resides.
Flood risk is not being addressed fully in Northern Ireland.
The lower level of quality evidence available and relatively limited climate-related policy in force increases the uncertainty around future climate impacts.
The dominant source of flooding.
Low-profile buildings plays second to the natural environment.
Plan and policies are dated and not reflective of current trends and lived experiences.
It is orange and juicy and sweet.
There's no more time left. It's not on our side anymore.
I wish someone would listen and value our lived experience as equally as an expert's opinion. We have become experts.
I am overcome and overwhelmed.
I wish someone would listen and value our lived experience as equally as an expert's opinion.
We have become experts.